Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on Tips 250. Today it's a brand new video where we are going to see about Solidworks 2018. We are going to look on the main features for beginners and the key features we have to begin with during designing of mechanical components. As you see here, we have file, and this is where you start your making your products. As here you have views, tools, help, etc. Let me start by opening new. If you click on new, there is a parts, front end, new pro, new parts. If you have designed different parts and you want to assemble them, you click here on assemble and then click OK. And then if you want to draw those drawn parts on drawing sheet, you click here on drawing and then click OK. But just start by parts, then you click OK. Yes, here we are going to start with Solidworks for beginners. And after looking on the procedures for beginners, we continue by looking also for advanced one. As you see here, we are on the Solidworks home, and this is Solidworks background, where we have to use this one during drawing. Better to make this background clear. Come here and clean, and click here. You can use this one. You can also use this one. You can also use this country art background, or you can also use urban 5 background. But all that, it's better to use this plain white because it is one of the clearest one to be used. As you see, it is very clear. After choosing background, and then you go to plain, you want to draw your drawings. For example, let me choose front plane. After clicking on front plane, you click here on sketch, and if you click on sketch, it's now to start your drawings by using N of this drawing to be used here. As I have chosen this, and then let me take this line, or let me look what's inside the list lines. As you see, if you click on this line, you find line, center line and midpoint. Take example of line and drawing line. As you see, this is a line, and if you want to dimension this line, you can come and click on dimension. As you see, it is possible to dimension this line, example 20. And also here, and then after drawing this line, click OK. And then after, you can also come on this line and take center line. Center line, you can also using it to draw a center lines. As you see, also this center line can be dimensioned by clicking on smart dimension like this. As you see, it is also possible to dimension this line. You can also come here and take this midpoint line. This is a line with a midpoint in it. As you see, drawn with the midpoint, as this is a midpoint. This is a midpoint inside this line. As you see, this line here and this one are equal. And then also can click on smart dimension and dimension it as you see. Yeah. Then after looking on this line, you can also continue by looking on these figures. As you see, there is parallelogram here. Inside the parallelogram there is corner, rectangle, center, 3 points, center, rectangle. And so let me show you for corner, rectangle. As you see, start drawing. Let me beat this and not show you clearly. Come here on this figure, then take corner, rectangle. As you see, this is a rectangle drawn from the cone. As you see, this is a corner, rectangle. Yes, it is possible dimension on this line. This here, let's take this as 8, and also take this one as a 6. Yes, also you can take center rectangle. This is corner rectangle. Then also take this center rectangle. It is a rectangle drawn from the center. As you see, it is drawn from the center. You can also take this one. Is different, and you can also take this 3-point corner rectangle, or you can take this also 3-point center rectangle parallelogram. All these are possible to draw it using this software. After, there is also the slots here. As you see, you have straight slots, center straight slots, 3 points arc slots, and center points arc slots. Take an example of these slots. As you see on drawing slots, after fixing a line, then you drag as you wish. As you see, this is a slot. After drawing this, you can also dimension it as you want. Dimension this as 10. I can dimension this one. As you see, this is a 10. Also, this can be dimensioned. This one. Yes. After looking at these slots, you can also have these 3 arc slots by clicking here and here and also here. Then slots is here. As you see, this is a slot. And also another feature, can look here. These are the circles in the circle here, circle and the parameter circle. So circle can be drawn as you want here. As you see, this is a circle. Then also you can take this ellipse here. Ellipse. There is ellipse. You have partial ellipse. You have parabola. You have conics. An example of this ellipse. As you see, this is the ellipse. As you see now, I can position in any position you want. And after drawing this, you can also dimension this ellipse, taking this, and this will take as 5. And also this one can be have to 1 dimension. Take this as 9. Not only that, we have also spline here. As you see, you have spline, you have style spline, you have cohesion spline. For example, this spline. After this, you're going to cut like this. Do you see how it is? It looks like going like this. You see, this is spline. As you see, it can have its different, can be bent in different ways. This is prime. As you increase its height, also the angle increases. Yes, it's a prime. Also, how can have these prime entities if you want to do it on someone. For example, if you click here on trim, down here what's called power trim. As you see, if you want to treat this spline, as you see, it is already written. If you want to turn back, you can click here on turn, or you can click Ctrl Z, and then it already came back. Convert entities, offset entities, mirror, etc. All of this. Also, these drawn features can be extruded by clicking here, but better to click on exit. Can click here, exit sketch, or can click here on exit sketch, or possible. And then after, can come here on features, then you click on it, and then you go to extrude both bays. If you click on extrude both bays, as you see, all this can be extruded. During extrusion, here there is a brand. We have this. You can choose to extrude in any portion you want. Better to choose on this midpoint here. As you see, you can also extrude this one, this line. As you see, can also be extruded. These slots can be extruded. This one can be extruded. This also can be extruded. This prime can also be extruded, but here it is not easier to extrude this one. Yes, all this has extruded. Yeah, has extruded, and then after extruding of each component you want, you can click on it. Yes, then look after extrusion, the composition, the components have joined, but it has takes another shape, which is somehow very strange. By clicking on Ctrl 1, you see this view. On Ctrl 2, Ctrl 3, Ctrl 4, Ctrl 5, Ctrl 6, Ctrl 7 in isometric, and Ctrl 8 for this normal, but better for isometric. Yeah, this is the extrusion of the components combined, as you see. But if I click here on the block, as you see, those are the components extruded. By extruding one by one, take an example of this one. As you see, it has extruded. Let's give the size of 4, so to 4, as you see. And then if you click on OK, as you see, this one which has extrude. If I want to extrude another one, here you can also extrude this rectangle here. As you see, this is another one. Also can extrude all different ways. Thing like this. Go here to extrude. If you extrude this one, can also be extruded at the same distance here. So here there's difference here, features can run, but better to continue learning another features, which is very important And also if you want to change the measurements, drawing measurement, you can click here on mmgs, you can click here and then choose any kind of measurement you want. After also you can also come here if you want to sweep the borders. There's also special drawings which use this extrude cut as you want. If you want to draw a hole here, you can click on this and then sketch, and then if you take a circle like this here and you come here and you draw it. After drawing this circle, here, and then you can go here for extrude. If you click on extrude and then you continue by through all, the line will pass through. Clicking here, as you see, the hole has already made. This is the extrusion. For hole wizard here, if you click on hole wizard, you find different features. For example, hole wizard that advances the hole and it creates. If you come here for revolve cut, if you also here, you can also for fillets, you can click here, and after you click on this edge, take an example of 10. If you click OK, as you see, the fillet is there, but it is too large. Let me repeat this. If you click here, let's take fillet of 2, and then you click on it. As you see, fillet is not so big as it was before. Nothing can run here. If you want to zoom, click here, and then if you zoom on this one, as you see, and if you want to zoom out, you can click here. As you click here, zoom out come on, and then if you click on the Z also, zoom out. It is possible if you want to click on and if you click shift Z, that is here, magnifying, and also there is different features can run. Also, if you came here, it is where I found different materials. If you come here on the appearance colors, by clicking here you find different materials. Here you have metals, and then if you look on metals you have steels, and then you still have blush steel, have this blush, they have carbon steel. All this are an example of steel. If you click on aluminium, so I'm going to polish the aluminium, blush the aluminium. Also for if you click on galvanized, you found this one. So here you can also learn different features, but better to apply it. Here as you see, you have home. This is home, Solidworks. If you click here, it is a file. You can bring it here, and if you click on this view palettes, found also different components. So you can talk more on this, but let me stop right here and you continue showing another parts and different parts we are going to deal with during this course of SolidWorks design. Remember, we are at the beginning process. As we grow up, we'll continue by through the advanced one. So hope you enjoyed these videos, and I think it will be better to be with you in the next session. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. And also I think you can run here on these videos, so you can also come on motion study. If you click on motion study, you see different features. If on the deletion of this, you can click here also, and then after you go to push property motion property. If you arrived here, you can choose the frame per second. Let me choose 10 frame per second, and then then by clicking OK, you can also, after choosing that, you can go to mechanical mate if it is possible, but if not, you can continue. Then what do you think if you click on display to show you how the motion will be? Show you how the motion will be, how the motion will look like. As the seat is there now, and if we click here on so you can run different things here, but it's better to continue by trying some. And if you go to save, it is possible. Then if we came here on the window, it is better to show you some of the components. Have new windows, you have hide this tile assembly, or arrange this. So it will be better to learn more things about Solidworks here on these features. As you see, if you click here on help, it is also where you can find different tutorials which can help you to continue improving your knowledge about Solidworks. So it's better to come here on help. If you click on help, here there is Solidworks tutorials. As you see, if you click on help, they will give you this message to begin with. Yes, they will give you this to begin with. It will be very good to look on this. As you see here, there is a difference. Things can draw here by using this, and then here then as you see here, there is a beginning procedures. If you go to basic techniques here, you can also difference techniques here. As you see, all are basic differences. If you go to Solidworks tutorials, You can also find different tutorials here. As you see, this is hard disk out, this is revolve, this is routing part, metal sheet, this is all this. As you see, if you go to advanced techniques, you will see these techniques. Now that go to advanced techniques, there is also productivity tools. As you see, can also be used. As this, you have design evaluation. These are design evaluation, CSWP. Click here also are the component found CSWP. Then on new examples we don't have. Then so this can be the one new example, but that does not mean that is the only example here. If you see for the advanced one, find this. So this is those are blog helps. Yes, it is better to learn Solidworks, but continue on this. Then after this, you have go to Solidworks simulation tutorials. If you click here, you will find this, and then cannot take too much time looking this. Let's continue. So it is very joyful, it is very interesting to learn this Solidworks, but allow me to stop right here. It is very joyful to have this lesson. Thanks so much. Thank you so for everything, and thank you for watching. Remember, this is Dove TV 250. Please hit subscribe, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment below. The answer will be provided as soon as possible. Thank you. May God bless you.